Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is how to fix your tech. Now today I thought I'd do a video on how to move games that you've already downloaded from one drive to another in Steam. Now this doesn't require going to the local files and changing them all. It's a bit easier than that, a bit more reliable, and I thought I'd show you how. But until then, it's time for the intro. Alright everyone, so before we start, I thought I'd tell you, or note down, that I am using an external hard drive, but it'll be the exact same for an internal hard drive or SSD. So I just thought I'd tell you that, just to make sure. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is go into File Explorer. Go to this PC, and this is only to make sure the drive shows up in Windows, because that's if you don't find it in Steam, you may not even have it connected properly or something's wrong with it. And if something doesn't work in the next steps, what you can do is you can click it, right click it and click Format, and click Start, as long as everything here is okay, just so you can get the best possible result. And then what you need to do is open Steam. Now I've got it on the taskbar, and once you've opened Steam, it might take a bit longer than that. I've got it running already. And then once you got it open, what you need to do is in the top left corner, there's this button that says Steam. You need to click on that, and then there's a drop down menu. It should say Settings, and then what you need to do is down the side, you need to click Downloads. Now once you've done that, up the top it should say Steam Library Folders, and you need to click on that. Now you should see all your drives that you've already done this before. If you probably are searching up this tutorial, you'll probably only have one, and it will have a star next to your C drive as well. Now what we need to do is we need to add another drive. So what you need to do is click the plus next to the only drive or the two drives you have. There's a plus up here, you need to click it, and you need to select your drive. Now my drive is local drive E, 931.3 gigs free. You need to click that and then click add. And there we go, we've added our drive. Now that's not it. If you want to move a game, I'll show you how to do that as well. Now I'm just going to use a car game that I've pretty much never played. I can always put it back. I just thought I'd do it since it's the smallest game I got. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to hover over the game we need to right click it, and then we have properties here. We need to click properties, and then where it says local files down the left side here, we need to click it, and we want to go to move install folder, so click move install folder. And now what we want to do is there's should be an arrow here, and we want to change it to our drive that we want to move it to. So we want to change it to Toro E, 931.3 gigs available, and we want to click move. We'll go. So once it says all content moved successfully, you can click close. You can go off here, and you can always check File Explorer to see if it's actually moved them in the end. Now I don't see why it wouldn't, but we can always check it. And here we have 929 gigs instead of 931, and we got a Steam library folder with our game in here. Alright, you don't need to do that, I just wanted to show you that it works. Now last of all, we're going to click play and make sure that this actually works, because I don't want to show you something that's wrong, obviously. And here we go, all good. So this is now running off our external hard drive. So I thought I would just show you to make sure that you know that it actually does work. But anyway, that's how we do it. I thought I'd make this video so if any of you have limited internet or just don't want to reinstall a massive game, because fair enough, they can take days sometimes with the big games we've got these days. Some people might not want to do that and they've already installed it once. So I thought I'd do a video on how to show you how to put that game onto another drive without having to download it again. But anyway, there we go. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in another one.